Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi and lobster rolls in Dreamlight Valley. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients for both recipes. Then, I'll walk you through the simple steps to cook each dish perfectly at any cooking station. Finally, we'll explore the energy restoration and star coin value of your culinary creations. Get ready to become a master chef. To make delicious sushi, you'll need just 2 ingredients, 1 piece of rice and 1 fish of any kind. You can easily buy rice from Goofy's stall located in the Glade of Trust. For the fish, feel free to use any variety you've caught, like cod or salmon. Simply combine these 2 items at any cooking station, and voila, your sushi is ready to enjoy. For the more elaborate lobster roll, you'll need 4 specific ingredients: 1 lobster, 1 butter, 1 garlic, and 1 lemon. Catch lobsters by fishing in the Glade of Trust. Butter can be purchased from Ramai's restaurant for 190 star coins. Garlic grows in the Forest of Valor, and lemons are found in both the Forest of Valor and the Glade of Trust. Gather these for a gourmet meal. Your freshly made sushi restores 592 energy and sells for 272 star coins. The magnificent lobster roll, however, provides a massive 3,810 energy and fetches an impressive 4,950 star coins. Both dishes are fantastic for keeping your energy high or earning valuable star coins. Happy cooking and enjoy your culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.